Hi, well, guys. Sneh says that her siblings look down on her because she did not go to school. She says that when she's around her siblings, it's always cat fights. They're always fighting amongst one another. And I'm just thinking to myself, where is Sneh getting the thing of her siblings are looking down on her because you didn't go to school? I feel like you sometimes you see things and you speculate certain things which might not necessarily be true. I think Sneh does think that her siblings look down on her because she did not go to school, but I don't think that is necessarily the reason why her siblings. I don't think they look down on her as per se, but I feel like her siblings don't give her her position as the older sibling because of the way she acts. Sneh has not taken any type of responsibility in terms of playing like a bigger role, a bigger sister role in all of her siblings' lives. I've never seen her play it. Quite frankly, Sneh makes jokes about her eating her father's money, and when those jokes started off, we laughed it off, but eventually, as time goes, it's like she truly believes that saying. Sneh, first of all, gets an allowance from her father. Let's just start there. She gets an allowance from her father. How many times has her mother's tried opportunities for her? Instead, if she doesn't like a job or for whatever reason, she'll just quit like that. Sneh doesn't feel the pressure whatsoever or the need to stick through to anything because she has a father, right? She has a father who's going to give her an allowance. She has a home. She has Matela's home where she can run back to at any time, which, by the way, even that home, she's not even taking care. She's not even taking good care of the space that she even lives in. So then, do you blame your siblings when they treat you like a child? Because that's what I think her siblings do. I think they treat her like a child. And that's because she behaves like a child. She portrays herself as a child. So you can't want to behave like a child when it benefits you. You don't listen. When you feel like going out, you go missing, go to your boyfriend's house, go partying, do whatever you want to do. And then when your siblings who see that behavior, they see that behavior of you, they hear that behavior of you, and then they treat you that way, then all of a sudden you're saying they look down on you. Like, I don't get it. But another thing I've also noticed, I feel like there's something between Usne no Abo. There's something between Usne no Abo, and I feel like we are bound to see it either this season, next season, or whenever. But there's something between those two, you guys. I feel like Usne feels like Uabo looks down on her because like what I've noticed is that whenever Usne would like speak or something like that, you'll see Uabo laughing, ne? But the thing is, Uabo laughs at anything. And I think that annoys Sneh like a lot. But also, the flip side of the coin is that Uabo also says that Sneh makes a funny comment about her because remember, Uabo, she belongs to that LGBTQ community. So Sneh makes funny remarks about her and hurtful remarks and comments, which she thinks would not hurt Uabo. So I don't know what's going on between those two, but I'm just like, why is Snake crying wolf now? Because she's seeing that the thing is time has gone, guys. Time has gone and Bompumelelo, Bolwandle, Abompilo and all of them, they no longer kids. And Snake's starting to see that they no longer kids. Like they look like they practically her age. So they've caught up to her, and now maybe she's feeling the pressure that she's used all of her youth, not all of her youth, but she's used a lot of her time, like just wasting it on nothing really. Now her siblings have caught onto her and they moving on with her lives, and it seems like there's not much moving in her life. And I feel like she's projecting her insecurities upon her siblings. I just feel like Sneh needs to get her head, even if Gempela, they're looking down on her. I feel like she needs to get her head out of that and she needs to put her head down and get to work. She's got kids. She's not getting any younger. Listening and nagaring ukuthi who's saying what, who's saying, like, that's not the time for that, Snare. Now is the time to focus on yourself and do what you need to do. Like, leave the kids alone. Kids are gonna be kids. Like, leave them alone and do what you need to do. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Do you think Usne is reaching? But even if that's the case, guys, I just think Usne, like, it's time she grows up. And when you grow up, you just need to never mind some comments and the treatment that you get from other people. Because at this point, it is warranted for the way she's been behaving. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.